Here we have a couple of Airtemp units right on the water. We're right near the water. It's about a block away. Five-ton from 2018. Coils are clogged up. A little frosty. Could be low charge, maybe. We'll definitely filter, something like that. They don't do maintenance on these things. This is the same unit. Suction line's cold, maybe a little too cold. Feels like it's starting to frost up. But look how rusted out these filter dryers are. Yeah, the coil's already hot. Does not need a blanket on it. Yeah, I won't see anything, but yeah, Copeland scroll compressors. So yeah, I think these two replaced a ream of some kind, like an off-brand ream. Anyways, that's it for this one.